Post people claiming they make $5, $10, and even $20,000 a month from Pinterest. And maybe you've thought, there's no way that's real. Trust me, I did too. Until I figured out what actually works and what doesn't. In this video, I'm breaking down the only Pinterest affiliate strategy you need to reach 5K a week, even if you're brand new, don't have followers, and aren't tech. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build your Pinterest foundation, what kind of funnel turns pins into profit, and how to attract traffic that converts, all while building an income stream that works even when you're offline. Step 1 is set up your Pinterest foundation. Pinterest isn't social media, it's a search engine. People come here to plan. They're looking for ideas, products, and solutions. So instead of a random post, you want your Pinterest account to look like a mini search engine for your niche. Here's how. Use searchable keywords in your bio, like digital business, affiliate marketing tips, or side hustles for moms. Create 5 to 7 boards that each focus on a specific topic your audience is curious about. Things like work from home jobs or passive income for beginners. Design your pins around helping first, selling second. Every post should teach, inspire, or solve a problem. When I started, I didn't even have any fancy followers or even fancy designs. I didn't even know that I could make money with Pinterest. All I knew was I started learning how to market online. This is why I'm showing you this. So the biggest mistake I see beginners make is treating Pinterest like Instagram. They're posting random lifestyle photos, motivational quotes, or low-value pins that don't link anywhere. Pinterest users aren't scrolling for entertainment. They're searching for something specific. If your content doesn't clearly solve a problem or promise a result, it disappears into the... Another common mistake is ignoring keywords. If your pins don't include searchable terms, Pinterest has absolutely no idea who to show your content to. Meaning you'll probably post 50 pins and see 0 clicks. When your Pinterest foundation is strong, every pin becomes a long-term asset. So unlike TikTok or Instagram, where your post is dead in 48 hours, Pinterest pins live for months. That means a single pin you post today could still bring traffic and sales 6 months from now. This is why Pinterest is perfect for busy people or moms who want income without being glued to social media. It's slow growth at first, but once it snowballs, it's powerful and consistent. So make sure you treat your Pinterest boards like a digital store aisle. If someone lands on your profile, it should feel like walking into a boutique where every board helps with one part of their dream life, like saving money, starting a business, or earning online. Each board should equal one category of transformation you help with. That's how you attract the right people and train the algorithm who to send your pins to. And if you think that's where the magic ends, just wait. This next step is where your traffic starts turning into consistent sales even while you're offline. Step 2 is building your simple affiliate funnel. Now that your Pinterest is set up to attract the right audience, you need a system that turns that traffic into income. Here's the thing. Most people pin like crazy. They get a few clicks and then nothing happens because they send people directly to their affiliate link. That might work once in a while, but it's not a business. You are completely depending on luck. The real strategy is building a simple funnel, your 24/7 digital storefront. Here's what that looks like. Your pin leads to a landing page that offers a freebie, a mini guide, or a video training related to your product. That page then captures an email so you can build your automated emails that you've set up before nurture your audience, that builds trust, and lead them to your affiliate offer naturally. This setup can all be done within System.io or my digital magnetic system, which already has the funnels, the emails, the products, everything's pre-built for you. You just personalize it and plug in your link. Some of the mistakes to avoid is sending people directly to your affiliate link, like I said, because you lose control. And if Pinterest flags your link, your account could get restricted. Mistake number 2 is overcomplicating the funnel. I see people try and build fancy multi-page websites, 10-step sequences, timers, pop-ups. All of that kills conversion. Simplicity is what wins. One page, one offer, one goal. Mistake number 3 is skipping the trust step. You can't just drop a link and expect to sell. Your emails are where your story, your results, and your personality build connection. That's what makes people buy through your link instead of someone else's. This is where your business becomes scalable. Instead of chasing people, you attract them, and your system does the work. Your funnel allows you to sell while you're offline. It nurtures your leads automatically, turns one-time visitors into repeat customers, and it also builds your biggest asset, your email list. Something you own no matter what happens with the algorithm or the platforms. This is the same structure that took me from posting for fun to multiple 6 figures online. Back to your funnel, test it like a customer. Go opt in with your own email, read every message, and ask yourself, does this feel personal? Does it build curiosity? Does it make me want to click the next link? If it feels natural and valuable, you're good. If it feels salesy, tweak it until it flows like a conversation. Now, before I share the final step, which will help you multiply your reach and finally start hitting those 5K weeks, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss videos that actually help you grow your online income. Step 3, drive consistent traffic. You can have the best product and funnel in the entire world, but if no one sees it, it won't make a cent. Traffic is the heartbeat of your business. The beauty of Pinterest is that you don't need to go viral or post every hour to see results. You just need consistent, keyword-rich content that compounds over time. Here's what that looks like. Post 3 to 5 new pins daily. Mix up static, carousel, and video pins. Idea pins are quite powerful right now. Use strong, searchable titles like How I Earn Online as a Beginner or 3 Ways to Start Affiliate Marketing from Home. Focus on value first. Your goal is to teach, inspire, and guide before you ever sell. Some of the mistakes to avoid is quitting too early. Pinterest is a slow burn. Most accounts see traction after 30 to 90 days. If you stop posting after 3 weeks, you'll never see the compounding effect. Mistake number 2, posting content that looks nice but says nothing. You don't need perfect design. You need curiosity. Use action words like learn, start, discover, build, and earn. Mistake number 3 is focusing only on you. Don't post, here's what I do. Rather post, here's how you can do it too. People follow transformation, not personalities. Once your traffic engine is running, everything becomes easier. Pinterest content is evergreen, meaning your efforts that you put in today can still make you money for months or even years from now. That's the real freedom. Not having to chase the new trend or live on your phone to make sales. Your content becomes a magnet and your system handles the rest. Now, this is the difference between side hustlers and digital CEOs. Systems that scale without burnout. Quick tip here is to repurpose what you already have. If you are creating short videos for TikTok or Instagram, turn them into Pinterest idea pins with clickable titles and soft CTAs. Also, make sure you check your analytics monthly. Double down on what's already working. One great pin can become your silent salesperson for months. That's it. The only Pinterest affiliate strategy you need to reach 5K weeks in 2025. So let's recap. Build your Pinterest profile like a search engine. Set up a simple funnel that works for you. Make sure you post consistently with a strategy that builds over time. If you want to shortcut the setup and plug straight into a done-for-you system that already includes the funnels, the products, and the emails, go check out my digital magnetic system. It's the same system I used to go from working a 9-to-5, burnout, overworked, overwhelmed, to being a stay-at-home mom earning multiple 6 figures online. It's designed to help you start faster and smarter. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, the only difference between people still dreaming of freedom and those living it is taking action.